little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Drink coffee. The coffee's good, so I'll have myself another cup. I'll let you know when I've had enough. They tell me that it's bad for you, but I just can't believe that's true. Some like it black, and still others like it white. Well, I like mine to pack a bite. And if those beans freshly ground is bottoms up, have another round. I like coffee, don't like tea. Well, that's the ABCs of me. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I said I like coffee, I don't like tea. Well, folks tell me it's so bad for you. Well, I don't understand what's big to do.